Good morning, students. Welcome back to social online class. Are you fine, students? I hope you all are fine and safe by the grace of God. Students, now which part we are learning? Have you remember? Very good. Now we are learning economics part. Is it? From economics part, which lesson now we are learning? Excellent. Now we are learning industrial clusters in Tamil Nadu. Is it? Economics lesson 5, industrial clusters in Tamil Nadu. In the previous class, which topic we learned from this lesson? Have you remember, students? Very good. In the previous class, we learned about post-independence to early 1990s, industrialization in Tamil Nadu, liberalization pace. Is it? In the beginning of this class, we can recollect few important points about previous class portion. Okay. First of all, we learned about post-independence to early 1990s. Is it? That means after independence, what are the development has taken during industrialization. Okay. After independence, large enterprises were set up in Tamil Nadu. Is it? Several large enterprises were set up by central government and state government in Tamil Nadu. Students, have you remember which is the first important industry in Tamil Nadu? Very good. Integral coach factory in Chennai. Okay, integral coach factory in Chennai is the most important factory in Tamil Nadu. From this industry, what are the things they are manufacturing? Very good. Railway coaches. Okay, railway coaches were manufactured by Integral Coach Factory. This particular factory is situated in very good. Chennai. Okay. This industry is in Chennai. Then next important industry is the Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. Is it? Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited. That means Bell Industry or Company. This company is situated in Tiruchirappalli. Okay, this company is situated in Tiruchirappalli. What are the things are manufacturing from these industries? Very good. Boilers and turbines. That means some different types of engines or machines were produced through this Bell company. Then, and also the next important industry is the heavy vehicle factory. Is it? From here, what are the things they are produced? They manufactured tanks. Okay, tanks item. It is situated in Avadi. Okay, where is Avadi? Avadi is in Chennai. Okay, far away from the city. It is in Chennai. Okay, then Standard Motors, Ashok Motors. That means later it get the name Ashok Leyland. These are the industries also situated in Chennai. From these industries, they are produced some of the automobile things. Automobile items were produced through these Ashok Motors and Standard Motors. This industry also situated in Chennai. Okay, then Avadi Industrial Estate. In which year the Avadi Industrial Estate was established? Very good. 1950. In the year 1950, the Avadi Industrial Estate was established. From this estate, all the industries get the raw materials. Many of the industries were get the raw materials from this Avadi Industrial Estate. Okay. Then Salem Steel Plant. It was set up in the year 1973. Okay, very good. 1973. Which are the products were produced through this industry? From here, they are produced stainless steel. Okay, they are produced stainless steel. These are the things produced in these particular industries. And also, after 1970 to 1980, in Tamil Nadu, some of the power loom weaving clusters were set up. For example, in Coimbatore region, is it Coimbatore region? Many power loom weaving clusters are there. Then in Tirupur, knitwear clusters are there. Is it? Important one question. Knitwear clusters in Tirupur, home furnishing cluster in Karur. These are the industries also in Tamil Nadu, and also in Osur industrial cluster. It is one of the successful cluster, that also one of the industrial estate. Okay, it developed the industries backward region. Then next we learned about industrialization in Tamil Nadu. That means liberalization pace. Is it? That means the industrialization is the post-reforms period since early 1990. In the year early 1990, the state government and the central government give responsible for more resources mobilization, and they forced to compete with each other to conduct attract the private investment for industrialization. So, cheap land tax concession and subsidized were given to all the industries. Okay, then there are through these liberalization there are two major developments are there. The important industries in the state involved much longer period include some of the major industries are sugar, fertilizers, cement industry, agricultural industry, iron and steel industry, chemical industry, paper industry, textile industry, rubber industry, then leather goods industry, transport equipment. Likewise, many industries were set up in Tamil Nadu. Comparing all other states in India, Tamil Nadu has large number of industries. In Tamil Nadu, 27 clusters are there. Is it? How many clusters are there? 27 clusters are there. These all clusters are situated in 13 districts. Okay. Because of the well development of the network of road, rail, air, and major ports, Tamil Nadu get development about the industrialization. Okay, these are the things we learned in the previous class. Is it, students? And also, I gave some question answers. I hope you learned that question answers also. Students, everyday portion you have to learn, write in a rough note, correct it, and get your parents' signature. Okay. Okay, students. Now let us come forward to today's class. Okay. Today I am going to teach major industrial clusters and their specialization in Tamil Nadu. Today I am going to teach major industrial clusters and their specialization in Tamil Nadu. Listen here, from here, some of the important industrial clusters I am going to teach. The first important industrial clusters are automotive clusters. Automotive clusters. Okay, the automotive clusters mainly the automobile industries are situated in Chennai. Okay, in Tamil Nadu, most of the automobile clusters are situated in Chennai. So, Chennai is nicknamed as the Detroit of Asia. Because of large number of automobile industry, Chennai got the name Detroit of Asia. Okay, and also Chennai is the home of large number of automobile industry and for example, TVS, TI Cycles, Ashok Leyland, Standard Motors. These are the most important large industries in Chennai. Okay, automobile industries in Chennai. Okay, then prehistorical period, that means before post reforms period itself, these are the industries were set up. Then um, and also some of the MNC firms, that means MNC the industries were set up in Chennai. MNC means multinational corporation. Okay, multinational corporation firms also set up in Chennai. For example, Hyundai company, Ford, Daimler Benz, then Benolt Nissan. These are the importer factories in Chennai region. Okay, then many local firms also there in that particular area. That particular industries also produced so many things. Okay, then Osur. Osur is also one of the important auto cluster. Okay, for example, TVS, Ashok Leyland, these factories also situated in Osur. Okay, first Chennai, secondly Osur, then thirdly Coimbatore. Coimbatore region also developing into auto component cluster. Okay, Coimbatore region also developing into auto component cluster. Then the second important industrial cluster is the truck and bus body building industry clusters. Truck and bus body building industry clusters. Truck means tractor. Okay, truck means tractor. Okay, truck and bus body buildings industry clusters are the next important industrial clusters in Tamil Nadu. Listen here, the Namakkal Tirchankod belt. That means the Namakkal, it is situated in the western Tamil Nadu. That area is known as truck body building industry. Many truck body building industries are there. Uh, then next, Karur is the another major area situated this bodybuilding industry. For example, more than 50 units, more than 50 bodybuilding industry clusters are there situated in Karur. Okay, then many entrepreneurs, that means many company owners were previous, they are giving a chance to employees, that means they are giving chance to work some person in that particular industries. Okay, then the next one is the textile clusters. The next important industry cluster is the textile cluster. Students, this textile cluster is one of the most important 5 mark question. Okay, public exam question. So you have to listen very careful. Okay, the next one is the textile clusters. Tamil Nadu is the home of largest textile sectors in the country. That means in India, the Tamil Nadu is one of the important state. It has more textile industries. Okay, more textile industries. So Tamil Nadu is the home of largest textile sector in the country. Okay, because development of cotton textile, many cotton textile industries are situated in Tamil Nadu. Colonial period itself, many cotton textile industries were set up in Tamil Nadu. Then Coimbatore. In Coimbatore region, many textile industries are there. So Coimbatore is often referred as the Manchester of South India. Coimbatore is often referred the Manchester of South India. And also, at present in Coimbatore, many spinning mills are there. At present, in Coimbatore, many spinning mills are there. So, Tamil Nadu is the biggest producer of cotton yarn in the country. Comparing all other states, Tamil Nadu is the biggest producer of cotton yarn in the country. Okay, then power loom industry. Okay, power loom, this widespread with Erode and Salem region. In Erode and Salem region, many power loom units are located. Many power looms units were set up in Erode and Salem region. Then Tirupur. Tirupur is one of the famous for clustering of a large number of farms producing cotton knitwear. Important one word question. Okay, Tirupur famous for cotton knitwear, producing cotton knitwear. Cotton knitwear were mostly produced in Tirupur. Okay, cotton knitwear were mostly produced in Tirupur. Okay, students. Then see the picture. This is the textile industry. This is the textile industry. Okay, from here all the textiles items where they are producing. Okay, in India, Tamil Nadu has 80 percentage of cotton knitwear exports. Tamil Nadu, in India, Tamil Nadu alone exported 80 percentage of knitwear. Okay, knitwear were exported from Tamil Nadu to other states or other countries. And also 3 lakhs people, more than 3 lakhs people were get a job through this textile industry. Okay, through this textile industry, 3 lakhs of people, more than 3 lakhs of people were get employment. Okay, and also not only they are selling their products in the domestic market, in the global market itself they are selling their products. Okay, then at present, some of the leading garment exporters in India have set up in the factories here. That means in Tamil Nadu, some of the garment exporters, garment means piece of cloths. Okay, garment means piece of clothes items. For example, piece of shirt piece, pant piece, etc. Okay, garments items also exported from Tamil Nadu in all over the world. Okay, then Countries in the southern hemisphere are called global south countries. One of the important one word question. Countries in the southern hemisphere. Okay, southern hemisphere are called global south countries. Southern hemisphere are called global south countries. Okay. Apart from all these bodybuilding industries, Karur is a major center of export of home furnishing items. Home furnishing items from Karur, some of the home furnishing items were produced. For example, tablecloth, curtains, bed covers, towels. These all things were produced from Karur industries. Okay, then important areas are Bhavani and Kumarapalayam. Bhavani and Kumarapalayam are the important centers of producing carpet items. Okay. Then, apart from all such modern clusters, and also some of the traditional artisan clusters also there. For example, in Madurai and Kanchipuram. Okay, Madurai and Kanchipuram has famous silk and cotton handloom sarees. Madurai and Kanchipuram has Madurai and Kanchipuram famous for silk and cotton handloom sarees. Okay, they are produced more silk and cotton handloom saree items. Okay, then the next important industry is the leather and leather goods industries. That means leather and leather goods clusters. In Tamil Nadu accounts, 60 percentage of leather tanning capacity in India. 60 percentage of leather tanning capacity are there in Tamil Nadu. 38 percentage of leather footwear and garments items were produced from Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu produced 38 percentage of leather footwear and garments items in India. Then hundreds of leather tannery facilities are there in Tamil Nadu. From here, Belur, one of the important district. From Velur, some of the important areas, for example, Ranipet, Ambur, Vaniyampadi. These are the important places in Velur district for famous for the leather tannery facilities. Then, so Velur district is the good exporter of finished leather goods items in the country. Velur district is the exporter of finished leather goods in the country. And also, next, Chennai. Chennai also has a large number of leather products. Okay. Then, another clustering leather areas are Dindikkal and Erode. First, Velur, then Chennai, next Dindikkal and Erode. From there also, there are many leather industries are there. They are producing many leather products. Okay. Then these through these leather industries, so many people were get employment. Through these leather industries, so many people were get employment. Okay. Then the next important industry is the fireworks, matches, and printing clusters. The next important industry is the fireworks, matches, and printing clusters. Students, you everyone know, is it? Examples of fireworks areas. Sivagasi region, is it? Sivagasi is one of the famous match industry. Now it become major center of printing and fireworks. In ancient period itself, the fireworks industries were set up in Sivagasi. Later, this industry get development about fireworks and printing. Okay. Um, from here, 90 percentage of firework production where they are doing in India, 90 percentage of fireworks production were doing through Sivagasi region. Okay. Then 80 percentage of safety matches were produced through Sivagasi region and 60 percentage of printing solutions were produced from these Sivagasi regions. Okay. Then all these industries have their origin in the colonial period. That means already I told is it in the colonial period itself, ancient period itself, these all in that means these Sivagasi regions were set up. The Sivagasi region, these fireworks, matches, and printing clusters were set up. Many people were get a job through these fireworks, matches, and printing clusters. Then the last important industry is the electronics and information technology clusters. Electronics and information technology clusters. Listen, students, after the economic reform started in early 1990s, this is one of the important one-word question. Economic reforms, when it was started in the year 1990. Okay, economic reforms was started in the year 1990. Okay, from after 1990, many hardware and electronics industries were set up in Tamil Nadu. For example, some of the hardware and electronic manufacturers like Nokia, Foxconn, Motorola, Sony, Ericsson, Samsung, Dell. These are the many most important hardware and electronics manufacturing industries. Okay, from here, some of the handset devices, circuit boards, and some consumer electronics items were produced. The mostly all these industries were set up in the Chennai region. Okay, these all industries were mostly set up in the Chennai region. Okay, then information technology specific special economic zones. For the purpose of transporting all these things, some of the special economic zones were set up. For example, in order to make development more inclusive means to include tier 2 cities. Tier 2 cities, what are the tier 2 cities? Coimbatore, Madurai, Trichy, Tirunelveli, Osur and Salem. These industries are tier 2 cities. These cities have promoted IT investment. Many IT investment were promoted through these all regions. And also the ELCOT, ELCOT has established the ELCOSS, ELCOT, that means Electronic Corporation of Tamil Nadu. ELCOT, the abbreviation of ELCOT is Electronic Corporation of Tamil Nadu. This Electronic Corporation of Tamil Nadu established the ELCOSS, ELCOSZ, that means it is the special economic zones. It is the special economic zones. There are 8 economic zones are there. There are 8 economic zones are there. The first one is Chennai. Chennai, Cholinganallur. In Chennai, Cholinganallur is one of the important economic zone. Then second one is the uh, Vilankurchi. Vilankurchi, it is in Coimbatore. Next, Ilandai Kulam, it is in Madurai. Next, Vadapalani, Kindimangalam, it is also in Madurai. Navalpattu, it is in Trichy. And also some other areas, for example, Tirunelveli, the Kangai Kondan area. From Chelam, Jagirama Palayam. Okay, Jagirama Palayam. Then Osur, Vishwanathapuram. These are the areas are the important economic zones, the important specific special economic zones for information technology. Okay, can you understand, students? Shall we recall the points? Students, the continuation of this lesson, I will teach the next class. Okay, now we can recall today's portion. Today we learned about the major industrial clusters in Tamil Nadu. Is it? What are the major industrial clusters we learned now? Have you remember, students? Very good. Automotive clusters, truck and bus body buildings, textile clusters, leather and leather good clusters, fireworks, matches and printing clusters, electronics and information technology clusters. These are the important industrial clusters we learn now. Now we can recall few important points about these all clusters. Okay, first of all, we learned about automotive clusters. Is it? Before that, I am going to ask one word question. Um, Chennai is nicknamed as the Detroit of Asia. Is it? Answer is the Detroit of Asia. Why Chennai get the name Detroit of Asia? Because large number of automobile industries are situated in Chennai. Okay, large number of automobile industries are set up in Chennai. So Chennai get the nickname Detroit of Asia. Okay. Then some of the important automobile industries were formed in Chennai. Have you remember, students, what are the important automobile industries? Very good. TVS, TI Cycles, Ashok Leyland, Standard Motors. Then some of the MNC companies like Hyundai, Ford, Daimler Benz, then Renault Nissan. These are the major important industries, automobile industries in Chennai region. Is it? Then number of foreign companies also in Chennai. Many automobile items were produced through these all industries. Then the next important place is in Osur. Osur also the important automobile cluster. From here, TVS and Ashok Leyland factories were situated. The next Coimbatore is it. Coimbatore region also have more auto component cluster. The next we learned about the truck and bus body building. Is it? Truck means tractor. Is it? Namakkal in the areas of Namakkal. Then Karur. Karur has 50 units. Is it? 50 truck and bus body building industries are there in Karur. Many people get employment through these industries. Then next we learned about textile clusters. Is it? Already I told this is one of the 5 mark important question. Is it, student? Textile clusters. Tamil Nadu is the home of largest textile sector, is it? Because cotton textile, many cotton textile industries were have in Tamil Nadu. So during colonial period itself, many textile clusters were set up in Tamil Nadu, is it? Then which is called Manchester of South India? Very good. Coimbatore. Okay, Coimbatore is often referred as Manchester of South India. Is it, students? Then, where is famous for knitwear, students? Very good. Tirupur. Okay, Tirupur. Tirupur is famous for producing cotton knitwear. Okay. Then, how many percentage of knitwear were exported from Tirupur? Very good. 80 percentage. Okay, 80 percentage of cotton knitwear were exports from the report. Then how much people get a job through this textile industry? More than 3 lakhs people. Okay, more than 3 lakhs people were get a job through these textile industries. Okay, then um, next apart from this bodybuilding, Karur. Karur is the major center of export of home furnishing. Is it? From Karur, some of the house needed things were produced, is it? For example, tablecloth, curtains, bed covers, towels, then some of the carpets items. These all things were produced from Karur industries. Okay, then some of the traditional artisan clusters also there in Madurai and Kanjipuram. For example, Madurai and Kanjipuram are famous for silk and cotton handloom sarees. Is it? Next, we learned about leather and leather goods clusters. 60% of leather tanning capacity have in Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, 38% of leather footwear, wear and garments items were produced. Is it? Hundreds of leather tanneries are there in Tamil Nadu. Mainly, Velur is very very important district to produce some of the leather items. Many leather industries were situated in Velur district. Next, Chennai and Dindigul and Erode also have so many leather industries. Okay, the next we learned about the fireworks matches and printing clusters. Which area is very famous for fireworks, students? Everyone knows it. Very good. Sivagasi region. Is it? Sivagasi region is famous for fireworks. First in colonial period, the match industry were set up in Sivagasi. Later, it become major fireworks and printing clusters. Okay, many people were get employment through this firework industry. Then finally, we learned about electronics and information technology clusters. Finally, we learned about electronics and information technology clusters. Electronics and information technology, mostly in the Chennai region, many electronics and information technology clusters are there. For example, some of the industries like Nokia, Foxconn, Motorola, Sony, Ericsson, Samsung, Dell. These are the important industry to produce some of the electronics and information items. Okay, from through these industries, they are produced some of the handset devices, circuit boards, consumers electronics items were produced through these electronics and information technology clusters. In Chennai region, more electronics and information technology are situated. Okay, can you understand, students? Then this information technology has some of the specific special economic zones. Okay, mostly 8 special economic zones are there in Tamil Nadu. For example, in Chennai, Cholinganallur, in Coimbatore, Vilankuruchi, Madurai, Ilandai Vadapalani, Kinnimangalam, in Tiruchi, Navalpattu, then in Tirunelveli, Kangaikondan, in Chelam, Jagiramapalayam, in Osur, Vishwanathapuram. These are the important specific special economic zones for information technology. Okay, can you understand, students? I hope you understood. The continuation of this lesson I will teach the next class. Okay, now all are take a book. Students, now all are take a book. Turn the exercise pages. Turn the exercise pages. Page number 337. Page number 337. Write brief answers. Okay, write brief answers. Short answers. First three short answers already I mark and give. The fourth short answer to the next class I will mark and give, students. Today you have to mark brief answers. Question number 2, Roman number 6. Write brief answers. Question number 2. Write about the textile industry cluster in Tamil Nadu. Write about the textile industry cluster in Tamil Nadu. Answer is page number 332 to 333. Answer is page number 332 to 333. Textile clusters heading. Textile clusters heading. Fully. That first paragraph. Then second paragraph. Powerloom is that paragraph. Tirupur is famous for that paragraph. Then this side. It accounts for nearly 80%. That paragraph fully. That blue color box, no need to mark. The next, apart from bodybuilding, Karur is major. That paragraph. Then next paragraph, apart from such modern clusters, that up to handloom sarees. Up to handloom sarees, you have to mark. This is one of the important 5-mark public exam question. Okay, students, you have to mark it. This question today itself you have to learn. Write in your rough note and correct it. Get your parents' signature also. Okay, the continuation of this lesson I will teach next class. We will meet the next class, students. Thank you.